You remember this short video, right? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to build this project. Let's have a look at the components that we need for this project. First, a character LCD. This is a 16 by 2 character LCD which can display 16 characters in 2 rows. This particular type of LCD has 16 pins. 2 pins for the LED background, 2 pins for the power supply, 8 pins for writing data, and the rest of the pins are for controlling the LCD. And we also need a breadboard for mounting our components on. Next thing needed is an ultrasonic sensor. This sensor has 4 pins, 2 for power supply and 2 for trigger and echo. In a nutshell, this sensor works as a 2-step module. First, we need to send a signal to the trigger pin and then read the signal from echo pin. Then, using the speed of the sound, we can calculate the distance between the object and the sensor. Of course, we need some jumper wires to connect the component and the brain of the operation, an Arduino UNO. I will also try to use an I2C Adapter Module for driving my LCD. Using this module is not mandatory, but it will certainly help the wiring. Later in this video, we will see the perks of using this module comparing to the original direct method. We also need to use a 10 K Potentiameter for the brightness of the characters. As you can see here, turning the knob will change the brightness of the characters. And here is the actual code for this project. I won't go through all the details in this code because it's fairly simple, and I will upload this code in my GitHub account, and you can find the link in the description below. But in order to give you an idea about how this code works, is that you need to first of all include the library Liquid Crystal, then define all the pins in the LCD. If you remember earlier, we just connected 4 pins of this LCD. That's because we are using this LCD in a 4-bit mode. So basically this LED can support 8-bit mode or 4-bit mode, which we are currently using the 4-bit mode. After defining another pin for making a buzzer sound, we are ready to compile the code into our microcontroller. Now that everything is wired up, we could finally move to the code. One of the things you need to do is to download a new library. There are a lot of libraries available for this specific module. However, I'm using a Liquid Crystal I2C from Marco Schwartz. You can see how am I adding this new library. After compiling the code again, we can finally upload it to the microcontroller. Thank you for watching this video so far. If you like the content, please consider subscribing.